welcome back to my channel. So today what I'm going to be showing you is how to achieve this easy passion twist look. I must say these things were super easy to put in. They are super coily and bouncy and curly, and I am just loving this hairstyle. Definitely be doing this more in the future as a protective style. I do want to mention too, the inspiration for this video came from a YouTuber. Her name is Kyla. Kyla, I am so sorry if I just butchered your last name. Yeah, that's where my inspiration came from. I will go ahead and link Kayla's video and channel in the description below so you can check her out too. I just did my own little twist on her method as far as different materials. If you're willing to learn this super easy hair tutorial, then stay tuned. I just want to show you the products that I'm going to be using today. So for hair, now I got the Afrime Caribbean Water Wave in the color T1B30, and it is an 18-inch. The tutorial that I was following, she used the Free Tresses Water Wave in the color 1B. Unfortunately, 1B does not fit my hair color. I'm pretty sure it'll be okay because it is saying that it's perfect for passion twist. I got 7 packs of this hair. I think that's more than enough, but I just wanted to be on the safe side. What we're going to be using to hold the hair, this is the same edge control that was in my high puff tutorial. The 24-hour edge tamer stuff is really good. I love how it holds. It pretty much dries as you're setting it. I'm going to be doing the rubber band method. You don't have to. It's completely your preference, whatever you feel like is comfortable for you or how much time you really want to dedicate towards this style. I got all day, so just for fun, I got these little hair jewelry things. These are so cute, especially when you have twists or braids in. I've had them one time and I really like them, and I definitely want to use them now. So we're going to be using that. We got our rubber bands, we got our edge control, we got our hair. Let's do it. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start with the video here. So the first thing I'm going to do, as you can see, is I'm going to prep the hair first. So I took 2 strands of hair, and what I did to get a fuller looking twist, I just took my finger down each strand or each end, and I just separated it just to make it look fuller. Alright, and now we're just going to go ahead and take those 2 strands of pre-stretched hair, and we're going to go ahead and twist them together. Now, you do not have to do this step if you really don't want to. I twisted the hair together because I found it was easier to latch onto the crochet hook when I'm ready to pull it through. But if you really don't feel like doing so, you don't have to. Alright, and now we're going to go ahead and section off a chunk of hair. Now for me, I did not care to use a parting comb because I really didn't care about the sections being too neat. I really like the way Kyla did it. Kyla did not use a parting comb. She actually just used her nail and finger. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and just take this edge control, and we're just going to go ahead and spread that all around our roots. And I twisted it a little bit just so I can get a good grip on it and make sure all the hair in the section was nice and gelled together. And as you can see right here, I was trying to pull out my edges as much as I could just because I did not want them to get twisted in the actual twist. Yeah, twisted in the twist. There you go. And what you see here is those black rubber bands. I soaked them in some coconut oil just so they wouldn't be so harsh when I put them on the actual section. But with the rubber band, I just put it around about 8 to 10 times. I really wanted that rubber band to be on there nice and tight, not too tight to where I couldn't pull the crochet hook through. And you will see that in just a second how easy it was for me to pull that crochet hook. Also, I did forget to mention that I do use Eco Styler gel for the ends of my hair, but you're just going to take a little bit and just run it through all through your ends. Make sure that's in there nice and well, and I divide mine into two just to make sure it's all in there. Alright, and now we have our crochet hook. You want to make sure that that latches down when you're actually pushing the crochet hook through, because you do not want it to get caught on your real hair. It actually really hurts. But yeah, you see I pushed it through here. Make sure that latches down. And now I'm just taking the Caribbean water wave hair and just latching it onto the hook. Once you got that hair on there, you can feel it gripping on there. You want to close that latch, and you just want to easily slide it through, just like so. And you see how easy it was for me to pull that through? It's because my rubber band was not too close to my scalp, so it had plenty of room. But yeah, you just want to take that loop, as you can see here, and you just want to pull one side of the hair through, just like so. Alright, now you got your two even sections. You just want to make sure that they are good to go, ready in length. And I literally just took those two sections and started twisting downward. Now, there is another way you can do so. I've seen a lot of people do it, where they will take these sections and say they'll take one side at a time. So the left side of hair, they will twist the real hair around the fake hair. Vice versa with the right side, and then start twisting downward. But for me, I mean, it just worked perfectly fine for me, just twisting them downward all together. Alright, and just in case if you need to see that process again, here it is. So I got my section out of hair already, and right now I'm just going to take that edge control once again and put it all around my roots. And now I'm taking that coconut oil soaked rubber band and just twisting it around 8 to 9 times. And once again, I'm taking that Eco Styler gel and just rubbing it through those ends, working it really good. Please ignore my face, y'all. I was on the phone. And you're just gonna take that crochet needle and just put it through underneath the section. Once again, make sure that latches down so none of your hair gets caught in that crochet needle. And you're just gonna take that pre-stretched loop hair and just put it around the hook, and the latch is gonna go ahead and close, and just pull it through. Easy peasy. And you take that loop once you take out the crochet needle. See, it got stuck there. But just take it through and just take one side and just pull it through. And make sure you have two even sections there. Make sure they're at the appropriate length. And you just want to take your two sections there and just start twisting down. Like I said earlier, if you want to twist them around each other, meaning you want to wrap your real hair around the fake hair first and then start twisting down, that is completely up to you. Yeah, I'm just showing you how I just started twisting downward. Alright, and there we go. That is a perfect coily curly twist. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of my head and I'll be back. Alright you guys, so that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it today. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate you guys' support. If you do end up trying this look as well, be sure to DM me on Snapchat, Instagram, or Facebook. I would absolutely love to see how it turned out for you guys. That is all that I have for you today, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!